How would you like to make your own cloud? Well, in this week's I'm Glad You Asked, our meteorologist Nikki-Dee heard from Nash in Thompson Station and wanted to know if there was a way to capture a cloud.
Nash over in Thompson Station asked, is there any way to get a cloud in a bottle? There sure is. And today we're going to go over how we can make our own personal cloud. And this is one you can do just about any time in your own house because it comes with things that you probably have. Grab some of your mom's hairspray. Not her best kind though, just grab one because we don't want to waste the good stuff. Then you're going to need a container. Some people like to use more of like a can with the lid, like your grandmother may be canning something, or you can just use a vase. Totally up to you. You need some ice cubes. And then since I don't have a lid for the container, I'm just gonna put it on top of a little plate. So the first thing we've gotta do, we've gotta add some warm water. This warm water, and then we're gonna mix a little bit of hairspray. So let me get the warm water for you. Be careful though, this is something that if you are young, let your mom and dad help with because it can get really, really hot. So we've got our warm water. We're gonna put a spritz of hairspray. You can use hairspray. And now you put the ice on top of it. Now if you begin to watch, you're gonna notice condensation taking place. So you're going from that warm water that's down at the bottom, and once it goes up to the plate and it hits that really cold air mass, there's our cold plate with the ice, it begins to make the condensation, and then we even get a little bit of cloud. Now the reason behind the hairspray is you know that clouds, they actually don't just pop up and form. They've got to connect with something. So air pollution, typically what clouds do connect with, and it allows them to really bond together and you get that cloud look. So we're using hairspray as our air pollution, and the longer you let it sit, the more cloud you're gonna get. You ready? And there it goes. So you basically have a cloud in a jar, or in our case, a vase. So I'm glad you asked, Nash. If you've got a question that you want to know about, weather related or not, just send us an email, Nikki-Dee.Ray@newschannel5.com.